We begin at 4 with an update to breaking news we've been telling you about today. The all clear now given after some very tense moments in downtown Oklahoma City. Shortly after noon today, reports of a man carrying a rifle started rolling into police. That suspect allegedly spotted in the parking garage near the Oklahoma County Courthouse. Well, police officers, deputies, and canines searched the garage and the surrounding area for a couple of hours, but no one was found. Just after 2 o'clock this afternoon, officials gave the all clear.